Hello everyone, welcome again to the welding workshop. My name is Swamana Mark. I'm going to be with you by performing butt joint both sides by using MIG or MAG welding machine and MAG process. So, as we say and see in the previous lesson, have seen that before welding by using MIG-MAG, you have to check all things if are in good condition, and then you continue by performing your works. So let us start by checking our machine if it is in good condition. Then after, starting by performing our work. Let's start by checking our machine if it has a current. And then you have to adjust if it is possible, but now I see that it is good. You have to check your wire feeder and the wire lead which has your electrode. Remember that our electrode is continuous and consumable. Yeah, now our electrode is good and well connected on our machine. After checking the machine, you have to see if in your cylinder, means your protection gas, which helps us to protect our molten metal to the atmospheric contamination, if it's well open, and adjust the working liters per minute. You are going to flow, which flowing in 1 meter. Now the gas is, it shows us that the inside pressure there is a gas. So you have to control by controlling your gases which are going to flow per minute. You have to come here to see to the gas checker. After gas checker, you have to use this adjusting screw or knob to adjust the liters of the gas which will flow during welding per minute. So here we are going to adjust our liters up to 10 liters per minute. Yeah, now you see here is 10 liters per minute, which will be flowing when you are welding. So let us come here by looking our things if are well and both all of them are in good condition. Now you start by wearing the protection. Of course, we start by protecting our hands by using leather gloves. And you see if we have a tongue which helps us to take our working piece after welding, because it will be hot, and chipping hammer for cleaning where we finish to weld, like removing the spatters, and wire brush to clean where we were on the bead, and this plier for cutting our electrode, because you remember that our electrode using here is a wire which feeding through during your welding in order to complete our welding. You see, you have to cut by starting. After cutting it, You have to clean your workpiece. You must clean your workpiece in order to get a good weld after finishing. Cleaning your workpiece, you start by tacking. Remember that when I say 1G, you have to understand a butt joint which makes on downhand position. From downhand position, you check your edge preparation if it's good. Now it's good. After, you wear your helmet to protect the rays to your eyes. After we are all things and well prepared, you have to start by tacking, making a tack which helps us to protect our workpiece to be not separated when you are welding. So let us making a tack weld. This is our tack weld. Have to put another tack here. After making a tack weld like this, you see our pieces are joined together by using a tack weld. So now we are going to make a full weld. Let us start by making a full weld. Remember, you have to control your traveling speed. If your speed is not proper to the wire feeder, it cannot give us the good weld. Continue. Remember that when you are welding, you have to control your speed, and you see if your job is good disposed on a working table. Remember that for today you have to weld on both sides. After finishing welding to the one side, you have to reverse your workpiece and you clean again. You clean it again. After cleaning, we start by welding. Those are the penetration. You remember that a good weld must have a good penetration. So let us start by putting another bead on no other side. Now we have finished to put another bead in the other side. After putting it, you have to clean well in order to get if there is no defect, to see if there is no defect or after cleaning by using a wire brush, you have to clean, and by using a chipping hammer in order to remove those spatters. Remember that because we use active gas like CO2, there is no slugs because the flux, it comes when you use a shielding metal arc welding, and we use the electrode which is coated by the flux on that wire. So let us finish for today. Thank you for attending my class. See you next time by performing other type of joint. Thank you.